Hi students, how are you? Hope all are fine and doing well. So I welcome you all for our online chemistry class. Now we are discussing about P block elements unit 2. We have completed up to carbon and its compounds, that is carbon dioxide. So this video is about silicon and its compound, that is silicon tetrachloride and silicones. So now the preparation of silicon tetrachloride. The formula of silicon tetrachloride is SiCl4. Okay, the symbol of silicon is Si and chlorine. 4 times chlorine, so it is called silicon tetrachloride. So there are two types of preparations are there. One is normal preparation, another one is commercial scale. So in the normal preparation, first we have to take silica, that is SiO2, or it is called silicon dioxide. Silicon 2 times oxygen, so it is called silicon. Di means 2 dioxide. Then carbon. Both compound you have to mix together. So the silica and the carbon we are mixing together. That means it will get homogeneous mixture, and this mixture is called intimate mixture. So the mixture of silicon dioxide and carbon is called intimate mixture. On this intimate mixture we are passing dry chlorine gas. It's a gas, dry chlorine gas. So the temperature is 1675 Kelvin. We are getting silicon tetrachloride. Okay. Then also carbon monoxide also we are getting. So silicon dioxide, this carbon, that is intimate mixture. Then we are passing dry chlorine gas. So the product is silicon tetrachloride and carbon monoxide. Now the balance equation. So we are getting here 1, here 2, here also 2, here also 2. Check the equation. Okay. Then commercial scale. Second method of preparation of the silicon tetrachloride is commercial scale. Here we are taking silicon, then hydrogen chloride gas. So what will happen? So we are getting the product of silicon tetrachloride and hydrogen gas. The temperature must be above 600 Kelvin. So whenever silicon, an element, is reacting with hydrogen chloride, it's an acid, almost like an acid. So we are getting hydrogen gas. Also silicon tetrachloride. So balance the equation. Here we are getting 4, here we are getting 2. So finally this reaction is balanced. Now the preparation of silicon tetrachloride is this much. There are two types of preparation. One is we are adding this intimate mixture with this chlorine gas. Another method is silicon and hydrogen chloride gas. So that's all about the preparation of. Now the properties of silicon tetrachloride. As you know, the formula of silicon tetrachloride is SiCl4. It's a colorless fuming gas. Fuming, it means at normal temperature it used to evaporate. Okay, so colorless fuming gas. Then freezing point of this SiCl4 is minus 70 degree Celsius. After that, there are 3 important reactions are there. One is hydrolysis, alcoholysis, then ammonia lysis. Okay. Hydrolysis, here the word lysis, see here the word lysis, it means the splitting of a compound. So if you split a compound by using another compound, that is called lysis. For example, we are saying electrolysis. Okay, electrolysis, that means what is happening? We are splitting a compound by using electricity. See here, like that there are 3 types of lysis are there. One is hydrolysis, alcoholysis, ammonia lysis. Okay. In hydrolysis there are 2 types of hydrolysis are there. One is we are splitting silicon tetrachloride by using moist air, then moist ether. Okay. So first we will see hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, silicon tetrachloride SiCl4, the moist air formula is H2O. So what will happen here? So the silicon tetrachloride is decomposed. We are getting orthosilicic acid SiOH4. This 4 chlorine atom is replaced by OH. So it is called orthosilicic acid. Then the remaining this 4 chlorine atom and here hydrogen atom is there. We are getting hydrogen chloride. So balance the equation. Here it will come 4. In the before this water add 4. So finally the reaction is balanced. So SiCl4, H2O, we are getting HCl and SiOH4. Okay. Now we are adding Marsh ether. Marsh ether, it is going to split this silicon tetrachloride. We are getting the product of linear perchlorosiloxane. See here what is first you write SiCl3. Okay. Then here one chlorine atom. Right. Then this SiCl2O, it is the repeating unit. Here N equal to 1 to 6 times. Okay. So now see here one chlorine, one silicon atom, then 4 chlorine atom. SiCl4 is completed and this unit is repeated. Okay. N may come 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Hope you understood the hydrolysis of silicon tetrachloride. Okay. Next one we are going to see about alcoholysis. Now alcoholysis. So what you have to add? So in the hydrolysis we used water. Here we are going to use alcohol. So by using alcohol we are going to split this silicon tetrachloride. So the alcohol example is ethyl alcohol or you can say ethanol. Right? So take this ethanol, add with this silicon tetrachloride, we are getting a compound of silicic ethers or tetraethoxysilane. Okay. So the product we are getting SiOC2H5 4 times. SiOC2H5 4 times, then hydrogen chloride. Actually this silicon is surrounded by 4 chloride ion. This chloride ion one by one we can replace by nucleophile. So last year you studied about nucleophile. Nucleophile example OH, OR. Here R is hydrocarbon. Okay. So hydrocarbon you can say C2H5. So what will happen? Silicon, this chlorine, all the chlorine atoms are replaced by this OR. R is C2H5. So that SiOC2H5 4 times plus HCl. So balance the equation. We are getting here 4, then here also 4. So that's all about the alcoholysis. Next one, ammonialysis. So when you talk about ammonialysis, what compound must come? NH3. NH3 is ammonia. Right? Okay. So when ammonia is added to this SiCl4, the product is chlorosilazanes. Okay. Silazanes, so first NH and both side what will happen? SiCl3, here also SiCl3, or you can write Cl3, yes, both way you can write. Now the byproduct is HCl. Okay, so here one hydrogen and here two hydrogen, so that here total 3 hydrogen. Here what happened? 3 chlorine, here 3 chlorine, total 6 chlorine. Here 2 chlorine, total 8 chlorine. So 8 chlorine is there. So put here 2. Here 2 silicon atom is there. Okay. So this ammonialysis, that's all about this ammonialysis. So Ammonialysis means adding ammonia with silicon tetrachloride. We are getting the product of chlorosilanes. Okay, so the formula is this. So that's all about the properties of silicon tetrachloride. First we studied about hydrolysis, adding of water, adding of matched ether. Now second one is alcoholysis, adding alcohol. Third one is ammonialysis, adding ammonia. Now look at about this uses of silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride, it is mainly used to prepare semiconducting silicon. This semiconducting silicon, it is used mainly in the computers, that is chips, integrated circuits, all the capacitors, it is made from this silicon. Also it is a raw material for silica gel, silicic esters, binders. It's a binding material for ceramic materials. So only these two uses in silicon tetrachloride. So that's all about silicon tetrachloride. We studied about preparation, then properties, then uses of silicon tetrachloride. So that's all about silicon tetrachloride. Thank you very much.